What did Lindbergh do before he crossed the Atlantic? A. He charted a route to China. B. He graduated from flight training school. C. He married Anne Morrow. D. He acted as a technical advisor during World War II. Or E. He was responsible for the fuel supply for planes. To answer this question, we need information from the second paragraph, which I have posted here. Here we find mention of Lindbergh crossing the Atlantic. Then came the historic flight across the Atlantic. Because our question is asking what happened before he crossed the Atlantic, we're going to need to look at the previous couple of sentences for more context. The text tells us that he joined the United States Army so that he could go to the Army Air Service Flight Training School. After completing his training, he was hired to fly mail between St. Louis and Chicago. Technically, our answer could be he was hired to fly mail between St. Louis and Chicago, as this did happen before his historic flight across the Atlantic, but this isn't offered as a choice. Going further back, we see the event before that is he joined the Army to go to Army Air Service Flight Training School. Based on this, we can head down to our choices and select B, he graduated from flight training school, as our final answer.